Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the thumbnail, today's review slash tutorial is going to be on the Sephora Pro. The Pro Pigment Palette, the new nudes. And these are the colors. So you can see the name is right underneath. And yeah, if you want to learn how to achieve this look, keep watching. Alright, so this first color I'm going to use, it's called Blonde. It is a matte taupe color. And for the highlighter, I'm going to use this one called Magnolia, which is like a buttercream. I should have done that first, but I didn't. So I'm actually doing, oh my god, look at all the kickback. What is that? I mean, not that it affects the integrity of the product, but it's just wasteful. Ooh, that means that, let me take some of it off the brush, because if not, it'll just go all over my face. Ooh, how damn powdery is it? Let me feel it. Oh, I thought it was going to be a little chalky. Let me use another brush. Maybe this one, since it's loose. Something that's a little more packed. Maybe may not give me all that kickback. Ooh, let's see. Okay, so this one still did same thing, so I guess it's just the way it is. Oh, alrighty now. I definitely need my brows done, so let me take a blending brush, and I'm gonna go back again with the blonde. Some of it was washed out with that highlighter color. I'm sticking to a neutral color today. I'm tired of the pinks and the purples. Even though this palette has a whole bunch of those too. Let's see. So what's going to be my next chosen color? Let's go with Boots. This one right here. So I tried to show you the color a little further away because I noticed that it loses the focus when I put it up close. And Boots, it's like I'm gonna say like a brick brown. Alright, that's enough of that. Is it? Let me bring it up just a little bit. Alright, so what's the next color I want to use? Not even plant, I'm just playing it by ear. So since I'm trying to be a little neutral, I'm gonna go with this dark brown. It's called Warm Cedar on the outer corner. Lucky for you, that's what I like. I'm gonna go in it with an angle brush. I like this brown. This is like an espresso brown. I like how deep and rich it is, and it applies effortlessly. Nice. Alright, so what are we gonna do next? I'm playing it by ear, because normally I'll look at a palette, I'll look at the colors, what I'm wearing, where I'm going, and I'll know more or less what I want to do. Today, it's like an impromptu look. Alrighty, so I guess I'll put in a pink in there or something, even though I'm trying to stray away from it. Am I gonna cut a crease? Yeah, why not? Let's cut a crease. So I'm actually gonna use a white base primer. This is from cosmetic called Gorgeous. Okay, so the camera shut off while I was applying the primer. Alright, so the next color I am going to use, it's going to be so this is like a coral gold color, and it's this one right here, and it's called Sunkissed. I'm going to apply that reluctantly because I don't know what I want to do next to that. Screw it. Let's take the risk without me knowing what I want after that. It's a very pretty color. I wonder what it would have looked like if I would have applied a beige primer. Alright, and then the next color, I'm going to do Tiger, which is a matte coral. So the color that I applied on the inner eye, that was actually frosted. I said, what did I say I was going to do? It's like a coral, it's called Tiger, yeah. It looks almost, well, no, very close to the one I put on the inner eye color, just matte. I like it, it's pretty. So, once I finish applying this color, I am going to do my other eye, eyeliner, all of that, and for the sake of time, and then we will be right back. In the meantime, I may decide to I don't know, put a gold over the brown. I'll see. All right, guys. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look. And let me say really quick, I am in a rush. And so this palette, of course, love this huge mirror. Retails for $68. You have your mattes, your frosted colors here. I must say, within this palette, out of all the Sephora's, all of their pro palettes that I've used so far, I think I have one more left that I haven't, or maybe I've done a video on all of them. I don't know. I'll check. I'll put the links down below to the other palettes, but I know I have all the palettes. I just don't know if I've used them all. I know that anyway, in terms of quality, this has been the best palette yet. All of the colors that I've used thus far are extremely pigmented. And what I mean by that is that compared to the other ones, I feel like I definitely worked less to achieve the color payoff. So on this palette, you are guaranteed what you see is what you get initially. You see all these colors here? What you see is what you get right away with no effort at all, or minimal. You know, so I definitely enjoyed this palette. The blush that I'm using, it's also new. It's from Sephora. And this is Hot Flush. I absolutely love this blush. Let me see if I can open it with my bad hand. This is it right here. This highlighter, I ordered it 2 days ago, just got it today. It's from Juvia's place. Oh my god, I gotta do a separate review on it. I am going to tone it down with my blending brush, but when you put it on, be careful. So this is the color right here on the top. Let me do a little swatch for you guys. I mean, look at this. Look at that. I am going to compare that. I'm going to do a separate video on this highlighter to one of the Anastasia's new highlighter that I have. And when I saw this on Julia's website, I actually purchased this highlighter purposely, hoping that I can compare it to that one, and I think I am. This is like the bomb. It is so pigmented, and the color is Nefertiti. Yeah, I think it was 11 bucks. I got it. Like I said, I'm gonna do a separate review on it. It is just the bomb, the bomb, the bomb. A litter goes a litter. A litter is going to go a long way. And lastly, the liquid lipstick that I am using. Not sure if I'm gonna stay with it. It's so dry, and it's from Wet n Wild, and the color is in Flame of the Game. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and as always, don't forget to unleash that makeup whore inside of you. Ciao, guys.